Good.
Washington.
In the last 6 months, what are the progresses made by you?
So when I joined the branch, the advances portfolio was 22 crores, and today it is 30 crores.
Oh, great. Good. Then,
And the total business has been increased by 2 crores, sir.
and total business has been increased.
By 12 crores. There's an increase of 4 crores
Deposits.
yes, sir.
Oh, very good. So, in the 8 crore advances, which is the major advance you received?
The major advances is retail, SHG, and gold loan. When I joined the branch, sir, the gold loan portfolio was 1.84 crore, and today it is 4 crores.
Oh, gold loan, how come it has increased? What strategies you employed for increasing it?
So, for gold loans, sir, is only fast processing, fast disbursement, and proper marketing. Actually, the rate of interest of gold loan of our bank is very competitive. It's just 8%
Oh,
for
good.
agri people, and
Yeah.
I am in semi-urban location, so agri gold loan is very much feasible for the customers and for us as well to increase the portfolio.
What is the
So,
marketing strategies you adopt?
sir, I have distributed the pamphlets with the newspaper in the nearest villages, and if someone is coming to the branch and is facing any difficulty for the loan, so I suggest gold loan, whether they have the gold or not, which is not my concern. I just suggest them. If they feel comfortable, they will do it. So that's why I suggest just proper marketing and competitive rates, sir. That's it.
Do you have marketing officers specially for this?
No, sir, no. I'm doing it on my own alone, sir.
How many
I have
other?
actually
How
there
many?
was no poster when I joined the branch. There was no poster of gold loan in the branch, so nobody was knowing that we also do gold loans. So what I did, sir, first of all, I ordered two three posters, one for ATM, two three for branch, and one at the door. One big one big big standee in which I have highlighted the rate of interest for 8%. So it's just increased by the walk-ins and by the existing customers also.
Good, good, excellent. How old are you?
I'm 31.
31. You are married?
Yes, sir.
Your wife is working?
No, my wife is not working, sir. Is a she was a teacher in a private school, but right
Now
now she has
nowadays she
now
is
she has
not.
no not she's not working right now because after the born of my daughter, she has taken a break. She will join later, but she's not. She has no plan right now
Right
to
now.
join any school or something.
Very good. That's correct. Now, you said your major advances are only, say, auto loan or housing loan and all that.
Housing loans are personal,
Retail loans, no?
retail loans, and SHGs and gold
SHGs.
loans.
Please
Yes,
tell
sir.
me about your SHG loan experience.
Actually, sir, SHG, what our bank has done, sir, there is a tie-up with an organization called Mavim. It is called Mahila Arthik Vikas Mahamandal, in which the organization has taken full guarantee of the repayment. Otherwise, they will pay from their own. So if we file from Mavim, it is the order by the bank that you have to do the file. Because
No,
there
this Marvin is a
is
limited
a government organization. It is a state government organization, sir.
Oh, Maharashtra state government organization.
Yeah,
Acha, acha.
actually, sir, there's a tie-up from the head office, of the Mavim and the bank. Actually, bank pays commission to the Mavim for the file they source and for the repayment efforts they take.
Good.
And
Is it going correctly? No problem?
yeah, it is absolutely going correctly, sir. If there is any problem with any SHG, I just have to call the coordinator in the local area. He will come with the money within 10 minutes.
Oh,
So the
acha.
repayment of Mavim is Absolutely amazing, sir. I'm just blessed by this portfolio. It is increasing by anything, sir.
Excellent. That's really good. Which is the maximum loan given to self-help groups?
Maximum, sir, I have processed is 4 lakhs.
4 lakhs. Acha, acha.
Yes.
4 lakhs loan is repaid within how many
Within 3 years,
months?
but within 3 years, but actually what I've seen, SHG pay within 18 months.
Mhm. Because
They
they
will
will
double
get
EMI.
they will get 10% increase, na?
They will increase, they will get double.
Oh,
The first
double.
dose of the SHG loan is 1.5 lakhs, then it is 3 lakhs, then it is according to the MCP they submit, but it is actually we have to double it every time.
What is
After
MCP?
1.5, we did it 3, then 6, then 9.
What is MCP?
MCP is micro credit plan, which is submitted by the Mavim of that group to us, that how much amount will be given to each member.
Who is the minister in charge of this microcredit
There are
and all
two
in our
in
Maharashtra?
in Maharashtra, sir, it is Mavim who is taking care of this, and there's one more channel, sir, which is NRLM, which is the local coordinated by the Panchayat Samiti.
Mhm. Good.
So in which the guarantee is taken by the district collector.
Mhm.
District
Very-
collector takes the meeting of all the bankers to promote SHG. And there are two channels of SHG loans to my branch.
How
One is
many
Mavim,
how many staff members are there in your branch?
so one me, and one officer which is a PO. He has recently joined 2 months back, and one clerk, sir. That's it. We are 3 people.
Only 3 people. Oh. Why do you want to jump to central bank? You are very comfortable here. You are joined recently only.
Actually, I have joined 1.5 years back, and actually I was in IDBI. I was there for five and a half years. There I was not getting promotion because IDBI promotion is very slow.
Mm.
Yeah. So by the total experience which I have, which is 7 years, by this time I should be scale 3 if there was proper promotion channel in IDBI.
Okay.
That's why, sir.
In Maharashtra, how many days after which you will be eligible for scale 3 promotion?
After 2 years.
After 2 years?
Yes.
Oh, only 2 years.
After 2 years. I've joined in 2021. I will be eligible in 2024.
24 you will be eligible. Acha, very nice.
25. Sorry, 25. 25.
Why 25?
21 December I joined.
22 ले लीजिए 22 23
22. So 23 23 1 year, 24 2 year, 25 3 years.
Oh, 24. Very good. But I think you will be eligible in 24 itself. Na?
No, sir. I'll be eligible by 1st April 2025. I will sit in the exam in January 24. I'm eligible to sit in the exam, but if I get the promotion, it will be due from 1st April 2025.
Whatever reason, whatever a policy is. Okay, fine. That's good. So in what way do you think your moving to central bank will be good for you?
So I think just for the promotion and monetary benefit. And there's only two reasons, sir. So one is the monetary. I will be promoted, so I'll be get more salary, which I'm getting now.
Are you not doing disservice to Bank of Maharashtra, which has recognized you and
I'm
taken
doing
you?
very well as a branch head.
Huh?
I'm doing very well as a branch head.
No,
So everyone aspire to.
But are you not doing disservice by ditching our Bank of Maharashtra, which has taken you only recently?
So yeah. It's nothing wrong.
You are convinced of that. Good. Please tell me about working capital loan analysis.
So working capital is the working capital loans that we can give 20% of the sales of the projected sales according to the NIC committee. And if someone actually I have processed the loan of around 11 lakhs in my branch, in which the projection of 23-24 was 55 lakhs. So I sanctioned the loan of 11 lakhs. So I also took a mortgage of 50 lakhs. There was a plot. So actually, which I have done is according to the NIC committee, 20% of the sales.
What are the other methods? What are the other methods?
So one is the Tandon Committee method, which is PBF, MPBF, in which there's 75% or 75% we can give of the working capital gap.
Hmm.
And I just know two methods.
No, you prepare on that. I think you are not up to date on this. You have to
Okay.
study. You have to study because you are not able to tell it clearly. Now tell me about term loan analysis.
So in term loans in which we calculate the DSCR, debt service coverage ratio, which should be above 1.5. So it can be easily given. And if there's a quotation of around 10 lakhs, we can give up to 70%
Hmm.
for 7 years.
Hmm.
Tenure should be not more than 7 years.
Good. So what are the other ratios with which you are familiar?
Current ratio
Ah.
and debt equity ratio
Hmm.
and DSCR,
Hmm.
TOL upon TNW,
Hmm.
and interest coverage ratio.
Current ratio, which ratio is good for a company?
Above above 1 is always good.
Hmm.
And the ideal which we take in our bank is above 1.17.
Acha, 1.17. Oh,
Yeah,
in other banks, it is 1.33. It's okay.
1.3. In our bank it is 1.17. So I have seen the loan policy, that's why.
Excellent. Very good. And then what is CMA, credit monitoring arrangement?
So in which we analyze the projections of the next 2 years, and if there is a 10 to 20% growth, it's I think feasible to take 10-20% growth.
Hmm.
I'm not that much familiar with the MSME loans.
MSME loans, you are not familiar?
Now, I have done it, but very small ticket size.
No, but they are asking very tough questions like CGT.
Yeah, I know. I got to know.
Then what are you going to do? You should read.
Right, sir.
You must prepare for that.
So if I get any, if you can refer any book according to for this or any
No,
YouTube video.
I have given you Indian Bank promotion exercise book, na?
Right.
In that it is given.
Okay, which the PDF which you have shared, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Then what do you understand by NPA and further process?
So if the repayment is not done within the 90 days of the disbursement of the last repayment, the account will be converted into NPA, and after that we have to issue the notice to the customer. If after the notice he also not paid or the account is not upgraded, we will initiate the suit filing.
No, but I think this is not the answer, NPA further process means you should tell me about, say, standard assets, substandard assets, doubtful assets, loss assets. What is the process in which it is going? How much is the provision we have to make under each stage? And thereafter, for recovery, when you come, you should tell about this. These provisions that you are telling, whatever you are telling. Are you familiar with SARFAESI Act procedures? No.
No, sir.
Doesn't matter. Then what do you know about audit? Say statutory audit means what?
So in which they check the file and whether it is all correct or not, or proper stamp paper has been taken or not.
Who does that?
Statutory audits in my branch, this audit was an outside CA came to my branch for audit.
What is RBI audit?
RBI audit. I think it's the same, sir. I don't know.
Yeah, RBI will be sending it their representatives for making audit. What is forensic audit? they are asking. If you don't know the answer, no problem, prepare on these questions.
Right, sir. For me, I don't know, sir, answer really.
And sometimes it seems they are deliberately asking questions like
Which are wrong.
DSC or in CC loans.
I know. I got to know that.
Yeah. So be ready for such questions. Now tell me
Yes.
about current affair news you have read in the last 1 week.
Current affairs last 1 week about finance, right, sir?
Yeah.
I think monetary policy has been remained same, which has not been changed. One is that.
When was it? When was monetary policy committee meeting happened recently?
I think it was in June. Sorry, it was last month.
Not this month.
Not this month. Last June.
Yeah. Then there can be a question to you. This I think you will explain me very well. What is current account opening procedure for public limited companies?
So in which we will take their PAN card, their GST registration, and their memorandum of association, AOA, articles of association, and DIN of the directors.
What? D?
DIN, director identification number.
Oh,
DIN.
very good.
Yeah. And that a TAN number. TAN number, and a board resolution.
Very good. I think you told nicely. Good. Then they are asking one broad question, like what? Tell me about the RBI guidelines on recent RBI guidelines on any aspect, for that matter, foreign exchange. Then what is the recent directives regarding lockers?
Recent lockers.
You don't have lockers in your branch?
Yeah, I have lockers, which we have to change the agreement of all the locker holders.
Very good. Have you been able to get it done quickly?
No. It has been initiated, has been started. There are only 20 lockers in my branch.
Only 20? Oh.
Yeah, 20 lockers which are occupied. There are 75 lockers. 20 lockers are occupied. And which 4 or 5 people are outside the location, outside the taluka.
Like myself.
Exactly.
Yeah. What is priority sector lending? Tell your experience regarding that.
So, I can tell you that if I am doing an SHG loan or a gold loan in Agri, it will be counted as a PSL. And priority sector lending and
you please study. You are not studied. You please study more about priority sector lending.
What can I answer about PSL? Because I know that bank should give 40% of the NBC and 18% should be in agriculture. And around, I think, 35 lakhs for housing.
See, actually, you should be able to tell us the 8 sectors. 8 sectors, yes. And under each sector, how much is expected to be given under priority sector?
Okay, around 40% of the total.
For example, education, 20 lakhs. For 20 housing, lakhs, yes. Housing, some 35 lakhs, then 25 lakhs, so many conditions. Then infrastructure and priority sector, that is 5 crores and 10 crores.
Right.
Then like that, I don't know. So whatever points relating to that, you prepare and tell them to know that you are aware of the various concepts. The main problem for most of us is we are not keeping them in our mind, because there is no need for us to keep them in our mind. Everything is available on the computer.
Internet. Yes.
But in terms of interview, we are supposed to tell.
Actually, sir, I have just to share with you. We were not expecting it. They will take this kind of interview in the prelims only.
Yeah, they are asking this
They
level.
Asking very difficult questions, which I got to know from one of my friends. So I was shocked to know.
What are the questions asked?
The questions were like about one question was on MSME, how you are assessing the MSME loan, right? And what he told me was so many questions. CGT MSc, yes, CGT MSc, and balance sheet of both the banks, Bank of Maharashtra and Central Bank of India. balance sheet. And
Oh,
how much was the profit? How much was the total business at the 31st March? And
अब पढ़ लिया, पढ़ लीजिए.
लिखा हुआ है सर, बस वो
मन में नहीं
रिमाइंड
है, मन में नहीं
मन में
होगा.
नहीं है.
Correct. I understand.
और
that. Acha, now this question also I could not answer. They are asking about some apps, loan apps.
लोन एप्स लाइक किश्त एप्स, क्रेडिट बी.
No, आपका बैंक में कुछ लोन apps है?
No,
No apps.
nothing like
Have you,
apps.
what are the loan apps of other banks you are familiar with? They are
Other
asking.
banks, there are private bank, private, not even private bank. There's a private apps which are in tie up with the some private banks. I know few names like Moneyview, Credit B, Kish, because I have seen the civil in which the people are taking
Because
small loan, 10,
they are
10,000,
they are
10,000.
asking one question. After how many days can you reject a term loan app? Something like that they are asking.
Yeah, there is a question I got to know. I think it's like 90 days.
I don't know what is it. थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिए उसका बारे में. I have seen in Bank of Maharashtra some app, na loan app.
No, there's nothing like a loan app, sir.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm pretty much sure. You can apply in the app for the loan. For that also, you have to come to the branch after a few days, because we will call the customer. At the end of the day, we have to call him to the branch. To check to know about the customer, to check the history, credit history, to know about the profile of the customer. He can apply in the app only.
Acha, that's what
Right.
In the app itself we can apply.
You can apply, but it's not guaranteed that it will be sanctioned. If he is applying in the app, we will get as a inquiry.
Acha.
Which we have to call the customer, and we will ask him few questions like what you do. And
No,
if
in
you are
fact, for some banks, they consider granting loan based on processing through app only. There is no need for.
there must be a private bank like in HDFC.